Imagine if someone came up to you and said, "I can make you think you're getting a great deal, but in reality, you're paying way more than you should." Sounds deceiving, right? Well, that's exactly what Warren Buffett does, and he's a genius at it. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, has built a fortune by investing in companies and making smart financial decisions. But what if I told you that there's a hidden secret behind his success? A secret that makes you pay more than you realize. You see, Warren Buffett is a master at hiding costs. When you buy a stock or invest in one of his companies, it seems like a great deal, but what you don't see are the hidden expenses that eat away at your profits. For example, let's say you invest $10,000 in one of Buffett's companies. It may seem like a small amount, but after digging deeper, you'll find that there are hidden management fees, transaction costs, and other expenses that can eat up a significant portion of your investment. In fact, some studies suggest that these hidden costs can reduce your returns by up to 2% annually. But why does Warren Buffett do this? Why would one of the wealthiest people in the world want to make you pay more? The answer is simple. It's all about maximizing his profits. By keeping these hidden costs under the radar, he can generate more income for himself and his shareholders. So, the next time you think about investing in a Warren Buffett-backed company, remember to look beyond the surface. Don't fall for the illusion of a great deal. Take a closer look at the hidden costs that may be lurking beneath. Warren Buffett's success didn't come from playing fair. It came from knowing how to make you pay more without you even realizing it. So, be cautious, do your research, and don't let yourself fall into the trap of paying more than you should. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it eye-opening, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And remember, always stay one step ahead in the investing game.